Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change owner in Google Photos album. And let's get started by open Google Photos application and move to collections. So right here we have albums, and let's say I wanna share this album. We cannot change owner in Google Photos, it's just impossible, but we can share the link with this album with another account and then save these photos on another account and create a new album. And this one is only one option if you want to transfer ownership. So let's do this. You need to click at the share icon. Then I will share it with the link. So send in Google Photos. Then I select this account and send. And now I send invite. Then we need to open. And as you can see, I am an owner. On the second phone, open Google Photos, go to collections, on the second account, and to album. So right here we have this album. Now we need to save these photos. So select them, 3 dots, and save. Now we have these photos in my phone, so I can create a new album with it, but we need to enable backup for it. So don't forget to do this, and also my backup account should be the same. Okay, and so we have backup, and right here we have these 2 photos. Then we need to add them to the album. Let's create a new one to hide number 2. And now I can share this album with my first account. So again, we can use it by the link, or we can send it. Send. Then I should accept it. And I'm not an owner. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.